Hey guys, this is Brent with Western Equipment, and if this video happens to help you out, we just ask you to hit that subscribe button, as that helps me out as well, lets me know that I'm doing my job. But today in this video, we're going to be going over the Stihl FSA 57. I'm going to be doing a raw demo and review of this unit. Now this is going to be in the AK series lineup, and we'll be using an AK10 battery in it. Now with that battery and this unit set up, we should get about 25 minutes of runtime. So I'm going to start the stopwatch here in a minute, get to weed eating, and see just how much we can get done with this unit, and then give you my thoughts at the end. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we are at 19 minutes and 36 seconds, and we are showing 1 bar left here on the battery life. So I'm done trimming all the edges that we need to trim here in this yard. So now I'm just going to come around over here onto the side, run this thing through the taller grass until we go ahead and kill it. So let's go. All right guys, we finally killed it. Now as you saw, we had a lot of really tall grass that we trimmed around here. We trimmed all the edges of the back side of the fence. We trimmed the inside of this whole backyard, and we ran up to 22 minutes and 10 seconds. So pretty close to that 25-minute time that we thought we were going to get, but not quite the full 25 minutes. So overall, I'd say I'm pretty impressed with this machine. It has plenty of power, especially for that mid-residential customer that's going to be mainly weed eating just grass, not a bunch of tall weeds and things like that. This machine does have the nice bump head here that's really easy to reload. So that is a plus. It also has a guard here at the front that you can move out in case you have, you know, landscaping and such that you don't want to get too close to. You can move this guard out just like that to protect you from hitting anything. It also has an extendable shaft here to where if you needed to make that out longer, if you're a taller person or you just prefer it longer, you can do that, or you can slide that shaft in. So it has some really nice features to it. It weighs in with the battery in 7.7 pounds. And like I said, it's supposed to have that run time of 25 minutes, which we were close. And when the string is fully extended, you have an 11-inch cutting surface. So overall, guys, very impressed with this machine. This is something that I would definitely have around my property, being as that I own a small yard in town. So I'm thoroughly impressed with it. I think if you are looking for a battery-powered option that is super quiet, super easy to use, super easy to just go put up in the laundry room or the garage or whatever and not have to deal with gas and mixing gas and oil and things like that, this would definitely be a great machine for you. So guys, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps us out as well. And also guys, if you have any other questions or comments, make sure to leave those down in the comments section below so I can make sure to get back with you. And while you're down there, make sure to scroll up just a little bit into that description section and check out that link, 247parts.com, to where you can get all of your John Deere parts needs, whether it be for your compact construction equipment, your tractors, gators, lawnmowers, whatever those things may be. Make sure to check that out. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey buddy! Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.